Going on Facebook, it's your boy DJ Bliss. You know what I'm saying? Talking to y'all again about my boy Don Gotta mixtape 71588 Deluxe Edition. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple new tracks on there.
You think you're mad?
Macaroni.
Anyway, y'all should fuck with it, you know what I'm saying? It's a hot CD, man. Niggas working hard on it. Got a few more features on it, a few more tracks. Y'all need to go ahead and cop that when it drop. It's dropping soon. I know everybody been waiting for it. All that and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? My boy Protege the Bully, mixtape dropping soon. Call My Brother's Keeper. Be looking out for that. Alpo dropping a mixtape, you know. All these projects being done. Highlight ENT, we about to get ready to do another group project. So, you know, fuck with it. Niggas work hard. You know what I'm saying? Niggas do this music out here trying to make good music for good people. You know what I'm saying? And if it wasn't for y'all, people who listening to us, you know, where would we be? So, fuck with it. It's your boy, DJ Bliss. Highlight ENT. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, fuck with it.